He was a successful businessman, financially secure, respected, ready to enjoy retirement. But his body wasn't cooperating. Painful knees, a frozen shoulder, fatigue, poor circulation. Even his sexual vitality was slipping away. All the wealth in the world couldn't buy back his health until we met again after decades. This gentleman is a family friend. I hadn't seen him for many years. But when we reconnected, he shared something that struck me deeply. He said, "Alan, I've built everything I dreamed of, but now I can barely walk up the stairs without pain." His knees ached from climbing steps, bending into his car was a struggle, and even showering meant discomfort. His shoulder was frozen. He couldn't lift his arm. His back hurt constantly. And while he wouldn't openly admit it at first, his circulation and sexual performance had declined. He had started relying on medication just to feel normal. Here was a man who had represented major pharmaceutical companies, knew medicine well, owned a Kangen water system and followed what he believed was a healthy lifestyle, yet his health kept declining. So what was the revelation and the missing link? The truth was his body was overloaded. His liver was fatty, his cells were exhausted, and his circulation compromised. Despite all the right tools and intentions, his body couldn't regenerate because it lacked the cellular environment to heal. I explained to him that true regeneration starts with detoxification and cellular repair, not just treating symptoms. And the solution? We began with a simple, powerful liver cleanse, juicing celery, cucumber, and lemon to flush out fat and toxins from the liver. Within days, his energy started to lift. Then I introduced a non-invasive phototherapy that activates copper peptide, a GHK-Cu, the signal molecule that turns on your body's repair genes. And to his amazement, the very first time we used ice wave patches, his frozen shoulder pain vanished instantly. He looked at me in disbelief and said, "Alan, what kind of magic is this?" But it wasn't magic. It was cellular activation. The body finally doing what it's designed to do. The result? Over the next few weeks, his mobility returned, he walked up and down stairs easily again, his back pain disappeared, his knees became strong and flexible. Even more, his circulation improved and so did his vitality. Friends and colleagues began commenting, "You look younger, what are you doing?" His skin tone brightened, his energy became stable and his confidence came back. For the first time in years, he could enjoy the rewards of his hard work, traveling, laughing and living with freedom again. What's the lesson? Wealth means nothing if your body cannot move, love, or create. But when you restore your body's repair mechanism, age becomes just a number. You can live youthfully at any stage of life if your cells are still strong and young. If you've tried everything from diets to supplements to medications and you're still not getting the vitality you deserve, it's time to go deeper. Real regeneration starts inside the cells, when your mitochondria, liver, and copper peptides are activated again. Book your free 30-minute consultation. The link is in the description or the bio. And let's restore your energy, your confidence, and your life.